We worked on open breaks a lot.
Yes.
Using 360 and using a outside turn. Yes, both of them, they feel almost the same because we're bringing the follow toward us. Please remember not to pass your follow. You want to stay with your follow as you do an outside turn and also as you do the 360, yes? When you incorporate copas, it's a different story. So we're gonna do it real quick. Yes, what happened? Can you hear me? It's off. So, basic. Go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. Least posture up. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Least posture up. Go with your follow. 1, 5, 6, 7. Yes, this is what you should not do. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. See what I did there? Instead of receiving, waiting for my follow to get to me, I went ahead and just completely pass her. You have to receive your follow, okay? So after we did this one, 1, 5, wait for your follow, least turn, 6, 7, outside turn, 6, 7. Now, if I ask John, what lane am I on? Huh? Left lane. See? You agree? Okay, some of the leads are here. When you do copa. And guess what I saw? Some of the leads did a cumbia. Somehow you manage. Why? Because you have momentum. But that's wrong. You just need to be here. 6, 7. By you doing the cumbia, you're working twice harder because you're in the middle lane. So as you do this turn, 1, 5. I'm staying on the outside. Here I go in the middle, outside lane, and I stay on the outside after I finish. 1, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Yes? Lane navigation leads. We gotta get good at that. Staying outside. Depending obviously on the moves that you're doing. Yes?